Today we got our solar lamp in today. We're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. When you're going to set this up, make sure you're properly set up to get the best sun through the day. So this can work at least 8 to 12 hours, even longer. It depends on your sun and depends on the daily charge. So we're going to open it up and see what you get. First of all, if you guys can see, it's a long solar panel, and we're going to measure it right now. Measurements are
13 3/4.
13 3/4 by
23 1/2.
23 1/2. So make sure you have a real estate on your roof or wherever you're going to plant this to have plenty of room. And this is a very powerful solar panel that it's going to grab as much sun as is possible throughout the day. Now, besides that, you get the actual clamps and all the stuff that needs to be adjustable for the actual lamp, and they're all included in here for the base of the lamp. And they give you the screws and the remote included, all right, and all the screws that you're going to require. And if these are not the ones that you're going to require for your roof or anything like that, you can always replace them with your own, all right? All right, let's take a look at the actual light itself. If you guys can see it, lots of LED. We're going to put the number lamp LED. Now, this is very important, guys, if you guys can see it. Now, during the day, it's going to start charging. You're going to see the charging. When it says 100%, you'll see it right here in the LED light. Remote control, IR is right here, and pretty much you control it from a remote control. You got to be within probably 100 feet away from it so it could work properly. But this is a great floodlight. You guys can see my backyard. This is one side of the yard where I keep my dogs most of the times, and I don't like to walk at night and step on dog poop or anything like that. So we're gonna set up this light here, and we put in the solar panel in the back. So we're gonna light up this whole place. But if you guys can see, it tells you how much percentage it has to charge right now. So we're right now at going to 75%. We're gonna leave it tonight. We're gonna turn it back, come back at night and set it up and see how it works. Waterproof, IP67. So even the cable itself is waterproof. It's tied down so you could twist it and connect this. So very simple, easy to set up. So we're gonna set it up. This is adjustable up or down. It can't move to side unless you remove the center screw. You can move it any direction you want. So very simple to set up. So let's come back at night and see how bright it is. All right, if you guys can see, it's super extremely dark out here, and this is why it's necessary to have a floodlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up, and it's sitting, I don't know if you can see it, but it's sitting up there in the silhouette. Let me zoom in. Nope, you can't see it. So let me turn it on so you guys can see it. So that's pretty much the light. Look how much light it gives us. Plenty of light. And let me zoom in so you guys can see how strong it is. This thing is super strong, super powerful. It's gonna stay all night charging. It charges all day. So right now we have about approximately, I can't even see it, but almost 80%, over 75%. So extremely bright floodlight. I actually really like the light a lot. Super strong. Gets the whole backyard here. I have to turn it a little bit lower because my neighbors are gonna probably complain. But look at this, extremely bright, the whole light itself. So all right, the thing is, the light is easy. You can put auto 3 hours, 8 hours, 5 hours, and auto. This is auto where I automatically turn on night to day mode, and then you can turn it down if you want. If it's too bright, just turn it down, or if you want higher, and then you can minus the same thing, and then you can turn it off, and then you can turn it on. So easy to use the control, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.